Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing, and today's video will talk about the affiliate program of Vrbo. So let me take you to their website, which is vrbo.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Vrbo is a trusted vacation rental platform that helps travelers find unique homes, cabins, and beach houses directly from property owners. The website focuses on creating memorable family vacation with spacious accommodations and personalized stays. With Vrbo, you can book securely and travel confidently, enjoying the comfort of a home wherever your journey takes you. So what you're waiting for, come to their website, explore all these amazing packages, and if you want to book anything, why don't you go ahead and buy it? But that's not exactly why we're here, unless you want to use the platform, that's totally up to you. We are here to earn money from Vrbo. Possible? As usual, yes. You simply join the affiliate program of Vrbo, you start promoting them to your audience, to your traffic, and when you bring sales to them, you'll receive the commission. So, affiliates from which country can join their affiliate program? No restrictions found. To the consumer of which country can you promote them to receive commission? No restriction found there as well. So, regardless of your country as an affiliate or regardless of the country of your consumer, you would still receive commission if you bring sales to them. So, let's talk more about their affiliate program. For that, let me take you to the website called Travel Payouts. Now, what is Travel Payouts and what does they have to do with Vrbo? Travel Payouts is one of the top travel related affiliate marketing networks out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, you must be joining the respective affiliate marketing network first. In our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of Vrbo, we must create an affiliate account with Travel Payouts first. And to create an account with them, simply click on Get Started from the top right hand side, which will take you to this page. Over here, complete the sign up process and get yourself a free Travel Payouts affiliate account. Now, I understand there are many nuances involved when doing the sign up with any affiliate marketing network out there, so don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use Travel Payouts affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description. Simply click on the link, follow the instruction from that video, and get yourself an affiliate account with Travel Payouts. Once you have an account with them, click on login. It will take you to this page. Over here, enter your credential and then click on sign in, which will then take you to something called affiliate dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would be able to interact with different travel related affiliate program, but the focus of this video is only Vrbo. So how do you find the affiliate program? For that, you have to look at the left hand side menu bar. From here, click on programs and all. And once here, you can simply start typing Vrbo. And then you would be able to see the tile in here. As you can see, Vrbo. So you can click here. It will then take you to the affiliate program page of Vrbo. Over here, you would be able to see more details about the affiliate program, such as reward rate. So you would be getting 1.8% commission on the same amount. Whatever sales you bring to them, it's going to be 1.8% commission for you. And then if you scroll down, you'll see program related details, the payout process, reward rate, and then rewarded platform. You will be receiving commission if you bring sales to them, either from that desktop version of the website or the mobile version of the website. It won't work through an app. Then if you scroll down, there are some languages available for the website and target countries are worldwide. We discussed about it. There is a restriction for the kind of affiliates they allow. They only allow content creators. Doesn't matter. These content creators might have website, blog, social media, or video platform. They're not open for cashback service websites or affiliates, travel businesses, personal booking websites or honors, coupons or promo codes related affiliates or media buying affiliates. They also do not allow paid search. Now let's say you've read it all and you want to apply to the affiliate program. For that, simply click on connect to program, which will open up this overlay window. Over here, you can select your available project. Now in travel payouts world, a project is kind of your traffic source. So whatever traffic source that you might have given to travel payouts during registration, you can select from here. So for me, I'm going to select this test traffic source. You can also click on request to connect for the respective traffic source. It will then take you to this page. You can read the requirement and then click on all good. Once you do that, your application to the affiliate program team of Travel Payouts or wherever it go, they'll see whether you're a good fit for them or not, and based on that, they could give you the approval. It could take up to 48 hours, as you can see, average response time. So let's consider 2 business days. Once you have been approved, how would you know? You will receive an email confirming that you have been approved for their affiliate program. And after getting the approval, you may start promoting them. In between, if you have any question, you can always click on ask a question and initiate an inquiry that you might have for Vrbo. And since you have been approved by them, you would be able to see them within the connected section. So within programs connected, if you'll click here, it will take you to this section. Over here, you would be able to see all the approved brands, including Vrbo. All right, now, as we were discussing about promoting them, you can't just take any link from the website and promote them. You have to use your tracking link, or rather, you have to create your tracking link. Now, how do you create or get your tracking link? For that, let's take a link from a Vrbo. Let's say we want to create a tracking link for the homepage. So I'm going to copy this link and I will be coming here on the homepage of travel payouts. And if you look at the top right hand side, you can click on create link. From here, you can select your project. So project is, as we discussed, it's a kind of your traffic source. You can select from here, from program, and show you select Vrbo. But just for the demo purpose, I'm going to go with the SM. And then you give the link. The moment you'll give the link, it will create a tracking link for you in here. But for me, it didn't work. The reason being, I'm trying to create a link for Vrbo using YesSim as an affiliate program. In your case, if you're selecting the program that is Vrbo and putting the link that is a Vrbo, it should work. So once you have this tracking link, you can just take this link and share with your audience, with your traffic. You can also integrate from the backend of your website if you like. Now, let's say you don't want to create your own tracking link, but rather you want to use the existing ones. For that, you can come to the Vrbo affiliate program page once again. And once you have been approved, you can click on links. And then here you would be able to see all the different kind of links that Vrbo provides. So you can integrate any of those links to your online presence. I mean, your traffic sources. Now, let's say you learn how to create or get your tracking link. How can you promote them? There are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. One way is website. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you've been approved by them, you can promote them anywhere on your homepage, maybe category page, event page, whatever you feel like is more suited for your audience, for your traffic. Just ensure you are promoting them properly using the tracking links, the affiliate links, you may call them. The second method is blog. Now, let's say if you have a blog as an affiliate, you could write about different packages available on Vrbo and put your tracking link somewhere on your blog post. This way, when people would read, they'll click on that link, and if they buy the package, you will receive the commission. Third way is social media. Now, social media could be great here because you could create contents like video, reel, shorts, post, and put your tracking link there. That could work in your favor too. Fourth way is travel and tourism website, which I feel like is more suited here. As an affiliate, let's say you have such kind of website, you can start promoting brands like Vrbo. Maybe create a standalone section for brands like Vrbo. So when someone would come to your website, they'll click on that section, they would be able to see Vrbo being featured there. So this way, when they will click on that tile of Vrbo or the featured tile of Vrbo, and if they buy any of the package, you will end up receiving commission. What about the performance? So let's say you start bringing sales to them, but which is your performance. For that, you can come to the travel payouts affiliate dashboard once again. And over here, you would be able to see some quick trends on your homepage. You can also look at the left-hand side and click on reports. Within reports, you can click on performance. Over here, you can select the date, group by program, basically all the filters, just see your performance. And if you click on bookings, you would be able to see all your booking. Booking means the sale that you have brought to them. And for more details, you can click on finance from the menu bar, the left-hand side menu bar, click on balance breakdown, and you would be able to see your balance being breakdown here. And then the payout history. So all the payment that have ever been issued to you, you would be able to see the payout history in here. And to receive the commission that has been accumulated, by the way, you will know by looking at your balance on the top left-hand side. And to receive this commission, you simply have to click on payout method, and you have to ensure you update your payment method. And to update your payment method, simply select your country of residence. So I'm going to go with India. In your case, you can also select your country of residence, and based on your country of residence, the available payment method would differ. Let's say you get to see the same options as I do. You will have an option to, let's say, if you want to go with the bank account, USD Euro, you can select any of this and click on add and update the banking details accordingly. Just keep minimum payout in mind. That means the travel payouts would only be able to issue commission to you if your accumulated commission exceeds the given minimum payout amount. And if you want to receive the money by web money, where the minimum payout is only $10, you can click add and update the details. And what I like the most is the PayPal. So for PayPal, the minimum payout is 50 and PayPal is pretty much convenient. So you can also click on add for PayPal and give your PayPal details. Depending on which payment method you select, ensure you update your payment methods properly. And once you've updated your payment method, you can expect to receive commission from travel payouts, the accumulated commission that you would usually see on the top left hand side. Alright, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Vrbo. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start promoting them, start bringing sales to them, and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Vrbo. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.